You get two.
Do you know how to open it?
Yeah, open it right here. You pull it.
Help her.
Pull it really hard. Come on, take this paper and pull.
She doesn't know how.
Yeah.
What is it?
What's in there? Who is this?
Who is it, Mackenzie?
Who is this? Is it Barney?
Yeah, Barney.
Yeah. And it comes with some nighttime stories.
You want to read it? You want to see this Barney?
Yeah.
Yes? You gotta get him out. You gotta get him out.
Does he play music, Mackenzie?
He kisses you.
Do you love him?
Yeah, Barney.
Yeah, thank you.